Hello, I'm Connie, one of your ALP instructors at Marconi. This is a guide to using computers for ALP coursework. The guide consists of 7 short videos, plus a document where you can dig a little deeper into the skills that the videos introduce. This is the introduction video, and it's followed by videos on logging on to the most common applications you'll use as an Nscc student. Another looks at Office 365, how you get stuff done for your courses. We'll look at Brightspace, which is your online classroom. We'll also look at Teams, which is an app where we can work together in real time and talk to instructors and classmates. We'll look briefly at some learning tools in Office 365 and a new series of applications called ReadSpeaker. You'll be able to go back and look at these apps in more detail if they suit your learning needs. There'll be a few last tips on using computers for success in ALP. And at the very end of the document, end of the videos, you'll be able to check your learning with a quiz to see what parts you might need to go back and review. Let's get started. So this information is for you if you know very little about computers, or if you know lots about computers, if you love using computers, or if you hate using them. That's because this guide is like an onion. Like an onion, this guide has many layers. No matter how you slice it, use it in a way that doesn't make you want to cry. Peel back one layer at a time, and take only as much as you can handle at each meal. There are 7 short videos. Each gives a quick overview of tools we use to learn at Nscc. You're not expected to learn everything from a video all at once. You'll see links to information that you'll be able to explore later when you are ready. And that's the big document. This is where you will explore and dig deeper again when you are ready. You click on links to explore Nscc resources in more depth. So our tools include logging on, accessing email in Office 365, exploring Brightspace, and peeking at Teams. You'll be able to check your learning in several ways as you go. The videos have mini review quizzes. Some sections end with a try this challenge to highlight important skills. If you need help with any of these, reach out to faculty. Try them first by yourself, but if you need help, you can reach out to faculty. Test yourself with the quiz at the end to see what you need to review. So, let's start with how you feel about using computers. If you want to let me know how you feel, there is a poll that you can click on in your document to tell me how you do feel. And we all get frustrated no matter how we feel. We're working with computers sometimes. So here's some advice. Take time to learn to use the computer system. You may want to jump right into your courses and make progress, but I think over time you'll progress much faster if you take time to learn the computer apps. While you're learning, though, take short breaks often. And if you start to feel overwhelmed, remember that improving digital literacy will be built into most of your courses. We do, however, want you to identify independent learning resources available throughout the year where you can improve your skills. But as you do this, take your time and have patience with yourself. So there is a lot to learn, but you can't learn everything in a day. When you sit in a session with a video like this or another resource, try to learn at least 3 new things. You'll have links and information in a reference doc for later. A wonderful new resource, the Nscc Learning Commons, has your back. And of course, all your faculty will help too. Speaking of the Learning Commons, here's a screenshot of it the day I made this presentation. If you look to your right, you can see that particular week they had webinars for students on learning about Office 365, Brightspace, and Teams. And there's much more than technology at the Learning Commons. Look at the top menu bar. You'll see that in addition to technology supports, there are libraries, accessibility supports, advising and counseling, and that all important, if you're not sure who to call, contact us. So, when you're ready, move on to the next video about logging on.